friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get free trial of Small PDF. So you want to first head over to smallpdf.com, and once you're at the website you will see on various parts of the page where it says start free trial or free trial. You can click on any one. So let's take for example the upper right hand side. Click on the free trial and you will see that it asks you to either continue with your Gmail if you have a Gmail account, or it will even ask you to enter your email address, right? Another way you can do it is just simple click and log in, and you will see where it asks you to continue with your Gmail, your Facebook, or you can put your email address and password if you have an account already, right? So, and on top of that, you also see where it says create account. You can simply click on that and it will ask you to continue with your Gmail. So various ways you can simply continue. So I'm going to continue with my Gmail. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, you can check out the various categories, what you can do on the left hand side. As you can see here, you have the compress, you have the convert, organize, sign, AI, PDF, and so much more. Now to get the free trial, as you can see on the upper right hand side, next to my initial, it says free trial. So click on that and you will be taken here where you can choose a plan. So you'll need to choose between the personal plan or the team plan. And you want to choose if you want to pay by monthly or you want to pay by yearly. So if you pay by yearly, you'll pay a little less. If you pay by monthly, you will pay basically $10 per month. And all you have to do is just simply click and try 7-day free. You will need to go ahead and enter your credentials. As you can see, you will need to enter your card details here. And once you go ahead and enter your card details, as you can see, it says total due free trial 0. So you just need to enter a valid card and just simple click and try free 7-day. And all you have to do is just simple click and try 7 days free. Keep in mind, if you just want it for yourself, you want to choose a number of seats, so you want to leave it for one. If you want to have multiple people use this, then you want to change the number as well. You will see how much it charges you. So for monthly it will charge $8 right per seat, and for yearly it will be 6. So you can choose whichever option you want to be built, right? So as I said, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and enter your card details and simple click that blue try 7 days free, and that's it. And then once you do that, you'll unlock basically all the features that you can use unlimited. If you want to know what you get for both the versions, you can simply go ahead and click on pricing, and you can see what you get for free, personal, team, and also for business. So it's pretty straightforward. So you can go ahead and check out what it contains and what you get for your money. It's very straightforward, and I think that is very useful. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.